At least it's starting to warm up out here a little bit now. It's been kind of cold for the past few days. I haven't been having a chance to get anything out here and get it posted. But it's warm enough for a good cold start today. Let me show you what I'm playing with. There's my Cougar. Put a good hot battery on her there a little bit ago. Big Durlast marine battery with about 700 cold cranking amps. Turn this big 351 over. Man, I've done a lot of work to this piece of shit. Still ain't done with it. Today I'm figuring on putting the stereo system the rest of the way in. Getting everything back up to par on it. Hopefully be driving it a little bit next week. The interior needs cleaned out, but it's not in bad shape. It's got all my peripherals in it for putting in a stereo. But we're going to try a cold start with it. Oh. Reading 23,781 miles. That's probably 123,000. Let's see here. Pump it a few times first. See if she'll start. Ooh, starts right up. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks since I've had it fooled with last. She kind of lobs a little bit because she's loud. Hold it down there a little bit, I can smell gas. My fuel gauge quit working. Why? Maybe it's just too cold. Baby hug. Not bad for a 30-year-old car. Then again, I've had to put head gaskets on it, intake gaskets, power steering pump, alternator, solenoid switch. Put the air cleaner on there just to be a little arrogant. And I've also rebuilt the carburetor. Brand new battery, brand new spark box over there in the corner. Plus rebuilt the radiator and a new heater core in this bad boy. She's got hella good heat here now. The only problem is I put the air conditioning on, but I don't have a bracket to mount the AC compressor. That sucks. But I'll find one. Anyway, I'm kind of glad it's kind of warm up a little bit. I think we'll be alright from now on in a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and put my stereo system in today and I'll check back with you.